If you want to increase ringtone volume on iPhone, first thing, make sure you turn off this silent button. If you see the orange border, it means your iPhone silent mode was turned on. So just move this to up, then it's turned off. Now second, open Settings app and open Sound and Haptics. Here you can control the ringtone volume, incoming call volume. Make sure you turn off this toggle button. These two volume buttons will be used to control ringtone volume. So most of the time we didn't mind. We use this to control media volume, but it will control the ringtone volume. After you turn off this toggle button, you can't control the ringtone volume on using these buttons. Only you can control here using this slider. So this is the best way. After this, when you get a call, your ringtone volume will be maximum. If you want to know more videos about iPhone, watch these videos.